Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On one side, we have the Canon EOS R8, the lightest full-frame mirrorless camera, and on the other, the Canon EOS R100, the pocket-sized powerhouse that won't break the bank. So grab your popcorn and let's find out which one deserves a spot in your camera bag. First up, let's talk about the price. The Canon EOS R8 comes in at a whopping $1,499, making it a significant investment for those looking to step into the full-frame world. Reviewers appreciate the value it offers for the features it provides, particularly for video capabilities. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R100 is a budget-friendly option at just $829. Many users highlight its affordability and recommend it as a great starter camera, especially for beginners looking to improve their photography skills without breaking the bank. Next, let's dive into the sensor and image quality. The R8 boasts a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, providing stunning image quality that many reviewers rave about, especially for videography. The R100, with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, also delivers good image quality, making it a solid choice for casual photography. While the R8 is praised for its rich detail and dynamic range, the R100 is noted for its excellent picture quality, especially for family photos, according to user reviews. When it comes to autofocus, the R8 has a dual-pixel CMOS AF2 that covers a staggering 100% by 100% area with 1053 AF zones, making it a favorite among reviewers who value fast and accurate focus in their photography. The R100, however, features a more modest dual-pixel CMOS AF with 143 zones, leading to mixed reviews regarding its performance. Some users find it adequate for family photos, while others express frustration with its autofocus changes, indicating it might not be the best for fast-moving subjects. Now, let's roll into video capabilities. The R8 can shoot uncropped 4K at 60 FPS, oversampled from 6K, which has garnered praise from reviewers for its high-quality video performance. The R100, while capable, is more suited for casual video use, making it a great starter camera for those not looking for advanced video features. Reviewers appreciate the R8's ability to impress with its videography, while the R100 is seen as a good option for those experimenting with video. Finally, let's not forget about size. The R8 is lightweight for a full-frame camera, but the R100 is the smallest and lightest in the EOS R series, making it ideal for portability. Users love how easily the R100 fits into a pocket, making it a convenient choice for everyday photography. However, some users caution against accidentally washing it in the laundry. While the R8 is still travel-friendly, it's the R100 that truly shines in terms of convenience for on-the-go shooting. Overall, the Canon EOS R8 is highly regarded for its advanced features, exceptional image quality, and videography capabilities, making it a strong choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. In contrast, the Canon EOS R100 is praised for its affordability and ease of use, making it an excellent entry-level camera for beginners, despite some mixed reviews about its autofocus performance. So there you have it, folks. If you want to step up your game and have the latest tech at your fingertips, go for the Canon EOS R8. But if you're looking for a great camera that won't empty your wallet and is perfect for everyday use, the Canon EOS R100 is calling your name. Remember, whether you're snapping pics of your cat or shooting your next blockbuster film, The right camera can make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd pick. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.